Have you been looking for a way to install MX Player to your smart TV or Android TV? In this video, I will show you the fastest way to do that. So follow me and watch right up to the end of this video to learn about this. If the video is helpful, which is going to be helpful to you, subscribe to the channel and share the video to someone that you think might need it. So to install MX Player to your smart TV, there are many ways, but what I'm about to show you is definitely the fastest and easiest way to install MX Player to your smart TV, and that's by using the application downloader. Download is a must-have application if you're a smart TV user or Android TV user. It helps you search anything from across the internet, files, videos, apps, anything from across the internet, and you can install it or download to your smart TV. But in this case, we're not going to be searching for MX Player. Rather, we're going to be using a code. And once you type in that code, it's going to go straight away to downloading MX Player to your smart TV or Android TV without you doing anything. And here is the code. Pay attention to the code because if you make a mistake in the code, it's not going to work for you. So the code is 76252 So that's the code. You can write it somewhere or just screenshot it right now. 26252. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on go. And what is going to happen is that downloader is going to start downloading the file for MX Player straight away. And once you're done downloading, you can click on install button and it's going to install the application to your smart TV or Android TV without any issues. Here's it, very easy. If this works for you, comment in the comment section MX Player, let me know. And if it doesn't work, just ask a question in the comment section and I'm going to reach out to you and help you get the application to your smart TV or Android TV. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find the video helpful. So just go to redirect. Once it's done redirecting, it's just going to start installing the application. As you can see, MX is going to start downloading the application to your smart TV without you having to do anything. So just give it a moment. It depends on how fast your internet connection is, and once it's searched and done, you're going to start downloading the application. All you have to pay attention is to type in the right code, and as I said earlier, the code is 76252. Once that is done, the application is going to download, and once it download, it's going to actually install to your smart TV.